Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove color of last page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove color last page. Now select from last page. Now going to the page design menu option, then click now select from background option. Now select from no background. That is. Now you can see. Then you show remove color last page in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.